thought for a second the reaction was go, oh.
Feel that you can't shake the tide that sticks around like summits in your teeth. Out of some laces up your sleeve, I've got no idea that you're in deep. I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat until I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my settee. If this feeling flows both ways, we're sort of hoping that you'd stay, that the nights were mainly made for saying things that you can't say tomorrow day. Crawling back to you, never thought I'd call when you've had a few, cause I always do. Or maybe I'm too busy being yours to fall for somebody new. Now I thought it through, crawling back to you. So have you got the goods? Been wondering if your heart's still open, and if so, I wanna know what time it should. Simmer down and pucker up. I'm sorry to interrupt, it's just I'm constantly on the cusp. I've tried and to kiss you, I don't know if you feel the same as I do. But we could be together if you wanted to.